Glasgow 1990. Brain death dwells in the dividing cells of condemned flesh. Omnipotent apathy housing sacred sack of pus in a stinking Glaswegian sarcophagus. Baptized by waters of the Clyde, confirmed in spiritual suicide, solidarity in sickness, unity in hatred, breath abating with your asthmatic lung, believing lies of your broken bastard tongue. What does it say? Everyone make way to the blanked out breeze-blocked buildings, where children scramble and men tremble in hypodermic hysteria, a lifetime being inferior. Fear enfolds your dark interior. No more words here, only need. Let the children bleed. Stare up at the night sky, see 10 billion years of starlight, but what lies beyond space? Could it be heaven? There we will remember nothing of this institutionalized economic retardation, the hunted looks of faces brutalized by belonging here midst the fungal growth on dampening walls in hovels for the hapless. Poverty silently implodes, the black hole, a sinking sensation no drug can suppress. The cathode is cast upon our consciousness, illuminated scripts to man in language none can understand, cryogenic culture coma, poet exploding, supernova.